if we don't talk about it, we are going to see the numbers rise in many sexual transmitted infections and HIV in Black and brown communities who are disproportionately affected. This is going to go on the rise. It will continue to increase. I don't want us to get to a point where one day I have to come sit here in another 5 years and tell you the numbers have doubled. And that now we have more people with STIs that are untreated. We have more people that are living with HIV. We have more people with hepatitis C. We have more people that are using substances that are not getting the care they're getting. More people that have mental health issues, because now this is all intertwined and is being affected, and people that are getting sicker because their physical health is declining. It is all intertwined. This is not a standalone. This is not an issue that we just forget about and we say, well, you know what, let's focus on making sure people get to their doctors and get their blood pressure and all their diabetes. HIV is a manageable disease, just like diabetes, hypertension is the same. Why are we excluding it? Why are we not talking about it? Why are we making it something that is not to be discussed, that is pushed down when it should be surfaced to the top?
Why do you believe that it's happening in our society?
I believe our society doesn't want to talk about sexual health because we have a lot of shame around it. I believe that systemic issues impede us from having these conversations because we don't have the courage to have these conversations. I believe that society and all these social constructs have us having conversations that we say, you know what, I can see that happening, but I don't want to engage in it. I don't want to talk about it. It's going to take leaders in the Black and brown community for us to have courageous conversations amongst ourselves first. It's going to take young people to have conversations and come together and say, we want to know more. We're demanding. We have to go to our legislators that we put in office, that we elect and we vote, to say these bills, these laws are hurting people, are killing people, are affecting people to their core. Until we do that and we are able to sound the alarm in a call of action and we come together and say this, I don't want to come here and sit 5 years later and say to you, we have this conversation, Jerome. We're in the same situation, if not worse.